In this class we will learn how to create drawings in AutoCAD Plant 3D 2016, which are linked to the projects, that is, stored inside the projects. With AutoCAD Plant 3D open, on the home screen, we go to the Project Manager, click on the box shown and select the project we created in the previous class. In this course we will learn how to model the structures in Plant 3D, so the drawings we create will be in the item shown. But before we learn how to create a new drawing, let's get to know a little more about the Plant 3D working interface. As we have seen, on the left we have the Project Manager. In the central part we have the desktop, where we will draw the structure, and note that this area has the appearance of other versions of AutoCAD. On the right we have the Tool palette, where we find several resource options, from connections and logs to pipe supports. This palette can be removed by using the command shown, or by clicking this box. It can also be activated by typing the command shown. At the top we have the ribbon of AutoCAD Plant 3D, with the tabs and tool panels, and we will focus our studies on the Structure tab. When we work with an extensive project, we can divide it into areas or excerpts to make it easier to locate certain drawings, creating folders and subfolders. We will create a subfolder within the default folder of AutoCAD 3D drawings. For this, by right-clicking on the default folder, we select the item shown. In the dialog box that opens, we enter the name of the subfolder, which will be Area 1. In this window we can still change the destination of the subfolder, that is, where it will be saved. We can also choose the default template for the drawings that will be created on it. Attention to choose the template shown on the screen. We confirm the box. View the created subfolder listed in the Project Manager. We can create our drawings inside it, or inside the Plant 3D drawing folder itself. The process of creating a drawing file is simple. We right-click on the folder or subfolder in which we want to create the drawing in the project and select the option shown. A window opens, where we will make some settings. First we define the name, which is required. Then we can define the author. The next step shows where the drawing will be saved, and as we select the previously created subfolder, it will be saved inside it. We can also define the template, but see that already appears the one we established earlier in the creation of the subfolder. Clicking OK, the drawing is created. Some of its properties can be changed by right-clicking on it and selecting the option shown. See the open box where we can change number, name, drawing area, author and description. We can also copy an existing DWG drawing to the project. To do this, we right-click on the folder or subfolder where we want to aggregate the file and select the option shown. We find the drawing we want to copy and select. With this option we can copy a drawing that has been conceived in another version of AutoCAD, provided that it has DWG extension. The actions of creating a new drawing or copying an existing drawing can be done using the icons shown in the Project Manager. Before clicking on one of them, we must select the folder or subfolder to allocate them. With the design and design created, we are already able to begin the modeling of the structure, which we will start in the next module. We finished this lesson, where we learned how to create drawings, subfolders and copy existing drawings for the project.